The recipe is available in different languages of the world. Turn on the caption, CC, and select your desired language. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more amazing videos. 1/4 cup apricot, 1/4 cup dates, 1/4 cup raisins, 1/4 cup cherry, 3/4 cup orange juice. Mix well. Soak for 30 minutes. 1/2 cup oil, 1 egg, 1 cup brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Mix well. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon clove powder, 1½ cup all-purpose flour, sieved, 1 tablespoon orange zest. Mix well. 4 tablespoons cocoa powder. Add the remaining all-purpose flour. Pour the juice from soaked dry fruit. Mix well. 1 cup milk. Mix well. 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon vinegar. Don't overmix. Add the soaked dry fruits. 1/4 cup cashew nuts, 1/4 cup pistachios, 1/4 cup chopped walnuts, 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds, 1/4 cup almonds. Fold gently. Add the mixture into a baking tin. Tap it gently. Sprinkle the remaining soaked dry fruit. Sprinkle handful of choco chips. Bake at 165 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Enjoy your meal. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.